See Dave here on Ming Ming Watch. No sign of her anywhere. I did see her in the kittens yesterday. I was on the motorbike, so I didn't stop. So, looks like they've moved away from here. This is where they used to hang about. Not about tonight. So anyway, I'm off down to Jomtien tonight. Go and watch the football. We've got a Newcastle game. Not sure if they're playing Arsenal or not. Anyway, so I'm going to go to Legends Bar again because I can watch the early game. It starts at 7:30 here now the clocks have moved. Later on, you got Liverpool playing the mighty Seagulls. So this is going to be my Seagulls tour. All the Brighton fans arriving. Look at Anfield. Not really. Yeah. So we're going to do a Seagulls tour. So it's going to be a normal walk down to Pattaya down to Beach Road. Is the bus station from the airport. A couple of buses just arrived by the look of it. So yeah. So we'll take a walk down the other side of the road for a change, if I can get across. Looking fairly busy tonight. Will I ever get over? Not a catching else chance at the moment. Right, I think I've got a gap. Here we go. Got to be pretty nifty on this road. That's it, and we made it across the road. We've got the Pan Pan here. I think Pan Pan referring to pizza restaurant. Not many people in. No one up this end. Well, there's a couple just moved in now. A few dining down this end. Yeah, fairly busy this end. Doesn't look cheap at the Pan Pan. But some people say you pay what you're paying for what you get basically, or you get what you're paying for. So you go cheap and you're going to get cheap, which is what I'm used to now, so it don't matter. So yeah, you're walking down, this is the main drag of Pattaya on Second Road. I do tend to mention the same thing over and over again, but you never know, I might get one or two new viewers. Yeah, so head down to Pattaya, down to the traffic lights down the bottom of here, and you come to a right turn which takes you down to towards the beach, and that's a continuation of this road, Pattaya. You go straight on, call it Road 2. There's another entrance to condos, Grand Condo Hotel. That's probably why I walked down. How many's on the bike? 4 of it. Got 2 adults and 2 kids. No crash helmets. That's alright. They do drive crazy over here, but they seem to a lot of them get away with it. Obviously there's so many motorbikes on the road, you're going to have accidents. But yeah, it does seem a little crazy sometimes, but don't very often see the tyres being pulled over for no crash helmets. A lot of them are on very little money, earn very little. But if I say for rank, 500 baht please. Thank you very much. Yeah, that motorbike. I always expect to hear a crunch when I hear a motorbike going like that. So I asked Amanda if she wanted to come out for a couple of beers. She's not really into the football, but she likes to sit in the bar every so often. But she said, nope, I've just eaten chicken and rice. I'll sit down and just chill out. And that's what she's doing. And if she does want to come down and see me and have a glass of beer, then she can just jump on the motorbike, only 5 minutes away from where the condo is. And she can join me if she wants to. It's up to her. I did leave her a couple of hundred baht to pop over 7-Eleven and get some low cow. So just going to get a couple of bottles and some Schweppes lemon. So she feels like a little drinky, she can do that in the condo, or join me for a beer, it's up to her. There's the world's beachfront resort over there. Right, we're just coming up to where things start happening around here in Supertown. But we're not going to walk through there today. I tend to go through there every so often, but it's probably every 2 or 3 months I'll take a wander through. Obviously when it gets busy and the tourists start coming, then I can walk through and see the place when it's busy. There looks some nice little bars in there. You're never going to get your cheap beers in there, but some people aren't here for the cheap beers. They're here just to do what their own thing is. Bistro Wine Bar, Primark, seafood, steak and wine, pizza, Thai and pasta. So, the choice is yours. Indian here, all closed up, so they didn't do too well. Paddy's Bar and restaurants, they got football on in there, but that don't look a bad little bar. Paddy's Pub, they got Nana Bar, 20 carb. Place that does tours here. Then we've got the ganja place on the corner. not looking too busy. There's another big one just over there. Okay, I'm going to pop to a 7-Eleven, grab some cigarettes. So that'll be part one of my Seagulls tour. We just got to hope that Brighton stuff Liverpool. Now I know we all want that. So a couple of little facts. So the mighty Brighton Seagulls, they're away to the Bin Dippers at Anfield. Now they play their home games at the American Express Stadium. Now, full name is Brighton and Hove Albion. Their old ground, I don't know when they moved, was the Golston ground. That's a little information I've got in my head. So, fingers crossed that the Bin Dippers get a good stuffing, and that'll be the end of this video. So please like, subscribe, press the bell, and I'll be back some more junk tomorrow. Thanks for watching.